Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve Bluetooth pairing and connection issues on your OPPO Pad 5. So, if you are struggling to pair your Bluetooth device with your tablet, first of all, make sure that your Bluetooth device can pair with other devices. If you have no problem pairing it with your smartphone, then continue troubleshooting on the tablet. Now, the first thing that we can do in such case is simply restart our tablet. So press power button and volume up key at the same time, swipe the circle up to restart and wait until your tablet is restarted. Once the tablet is restarted, try finding your device in Bluetooth menu. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled and make sure that your Bluetooth device is charged enough and that it is in the pairing mode. So to put your device into pairing mode, usually you have to either click your home button several times or hold it down and make your Bluetooth device flash rapidly with its lights. This will indicate that your device is in pairing mode. And after that, you're gonna have to select your Bluetooth device on this list, tap pair, and then pair with your device. In case you either cannot pair your device this way, or maybe you have already paired your device and have issues connecting it, you can go to System and Update, then scroll down to Backup and Reset, go to Reset Device, select Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings, enter your password and confirm. And now try pairing your Bluetooth device once again by going to Bluetooth, switching it on. Find your Bluetooth device on the list. Sometimes you have to wait for it to appear. You can also refresh your Bluetooth. Okay, now once you see it, tap on it, repair your device, and now there should be no issue with your Bluetooth device. Now, if you have already paired and still can't connect to your device or reconnect to your device, you can also unpair your Bluetooth device by going to the Bluetooth device info, selecting Unpair, and then pairing with your Bluetooth device once again after restarting the Bluetooth feature. And if nothing helps, then the only solution to this is going to System and Update, Software Update, and updating your device to the latest version. Of course, in order to do so, you're gonna need to first connect to a Wi-Fi network. So in Software Update menu, we just want our tablet to check for updates and download and install the most recent version, because major updates like this always include security patches which improve devices' compatibility with basically other devices. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.